8 operational Super Hornet squadrons in the Navy, and each has been flown, and the aircraft has been flown extensively.
So we can love our babies and provide a future. So, that doesn't hurt. This doesn't hurt. This hurts! But I'm doing it. I'm going to take my breath away. Because cloud was a little closer. I got cloud. That's right. Okay. That's called the Holy Hot Fire. That was fun. And there's some joker on the bike with me. I don't know who he is, but tell him to quit messing around. Let me just set up for another cool move. It's called the torque roll. And what we're going to do is get lots of speed. And what I'm going to try to do is find a nice hole. Right about here. There it is. And I'm going to go back up to the sky. And I'm going to pull it to the vertical line. And I'm going to start rolling this airplane straight up. Okay, a little bit more. A little bit more. That's good. I'm going to hold it right here. And then I'm going to start flying backwards, tail first. Charlie Hill invented this and won the world championship with it in 72. There's now right is left and left is right. Forward is back and back is forward. Is that cool or what? Yeah, baby. Let's go flying. You got it, Brian.
All right, ladies and gentlemen of San Diego, 700 feet apart. Between each set of poles is a ribbon. Sean starts by diving underneath ribbon number 1. Wheels barely 5 feet above the ground, 210 miles an hour. Continuing around the corner now, looking for that second ribbon. Once in sight, Sean dives underneath number 2, remaining until he passes underneath that third and final ribbon. Now up and into the vertical, Sean is preparing to show you the world's smallest inside loop. We call this the alley-oop. Straight at the ground with a half roll, and now an inverted recovery is our indication that the show line is obstruction free, and Sean is now ready to attempt to slice all 3 ribbons in one single pass in 3 separate flight attitudes. Right knife edge, left knife edge, and finally inverted. From the left, 17 feet above the ground, Sean rolls into right knife edge flight through ribbon number 1. Left knife edge through number 2, and finally inverted to take out that third and final ribbon. Ladies and gentlemen, just another of Sean's many original maneuvers, the triple ribbon cut. The negative G's once again building as Sean flies around the backside of the giant outside loop. From inverted to inverted with a tumble in the middle, this is now called the Tucker Upper. As Sean accelerates back to Air Show Center, watch for the nose to pitch up suddenly. 1 3/4 outside snap rolls put Sean into climbing knife edge flight. We call this the slider. And now in the recovery, I'd like to encourage that you keep those cameras out, because Sean is going to turn inbound for his low altitude, low speed photo pass. And again, live to the cockpit, Sean D., you are on.
Hey, Brian. I've just had a ball doing this. So this is my Team Marcos Blues, folks. So the people down here from the Grand Fest, give me a wave. Okay, the guy in the green hat, that's you, dude. Yeah, baby. Thanks for coming. The mom in the pink Thunderbird t-shirt, give me a wave. The guy in the yellow, yeah, that's right, the yellow bikini, give me a wave. Okay, Air Show Center, you guys are great. Coming up to the Patriots Chalet, Team Oracle, Super
gentlemen, as the throttle comes forward, Sean is going to roll his way around and set up at Air Show Center for the final maneuver of this afternoon sequence. This is called the Harrier Pass, named in honor of the awesome power and capabilities of the United States Marine Corps AV-8B Harrier. And as Sean mentioned, he will be back in the skies later this evening to perform during the Twilight Air Show. Once stable in this next maneuver, Sean will be producing a forward ground speed of less than 20 miles an hour, essentially turning the Oracle Challenger into a helicopter. Ladies and gentlemen, showing you why he is considered to be one of the very best. Put your hands together one final time for Sean D. Tucker and the